Investors' sentiment increased to 1.15 in 2017 Q2. It's up 0.24 from 0.91 in 2017 Q1. It improved as 53 investors sold Activision Blizzard Incorporated shares, while 215 reduced holdings. 98 funds opened positions, while 210 raised stakes. 639.89 million shares, or 1.59% less from 650.21 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Apg Asset Nv holds 495,745 shares. Scopus Asset Management Limited Partnership reported 2.60 M shares. Third Bancorporation holds 0.11% in Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, or 266,818 shares. Tradewinds Limited Liability owns 0.01% invested in Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, for 200 shares. Croft reported 154,259 shares, or 1.82% of all its holdings. Quinn Opportunity Prns Limited Liability New York-based fund reported 117,699 shares. Bluemountain Cap Management Limited Company holds 65,094 shares, or 0.08% of its portfolio. Baystate Wealth Ltd reported 263 shares, or 0% of all its holdings. Pinnacle Association holds 4,059 shares. Parkside Finance Retail Bank and True holds 171 shares, or 0% of its portfolio. Odey Asset Mgmt Group Limited holds 0.32%, or 50,400 shares. Nuveen Asset Management Lc holds 0.05%, or 125,598 shares. Fincl Bank holds 11,883 shares. TCW holds 34,660 shares. Life Fincl holds 0.03% or 5,050 shares. Since May 16, 2017, it had 0 buys and 1 insider sale for $1.10 million activity. Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, ratings coverage. Among 28 analysts covering Activision Blizzard, NASDAQ ATVI, 23 have buy rating, 0 sell and 5 hold. Therefore 82% are positive. Activision Blizzard had 114 analyst reports since July 28, 2015 according to Stratton Cintel. Wedbush maintained the shares of ATVI in report on Friday, August 5 with outperform rating. The rating was maintained by Barclays Capital on Thursday, June 16 with overweight. Hibs maintained Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, rating on Wednesday, November 4. Hibs has buy rating and $40 target. The stock of Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, has buy rating given on Thursday, June 22 by Oppenheimer. Credit Suisse maintained Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, rating on Monday, July 24. Credit Suisse has buy rating in $6,700 target. The stock of Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, earned buy rating by Stifel Nicolaus on Thursday, September 7. The stock of Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, earned outperform rating by Robert W. Baird on Friday, November 3. The stock has neutral rating by Hilliard Lyons on Thursday, August 6. As per Friday, August 7, the company rating was maintained by Benchmark. The stock has buy rating by Piper Jaffray on Friday, August 4. Below is a list of Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, latest ratings and price target changes. 3/11/2017 broker, Buckingham Research rating, buy new target, $79.0. 3/11/2017 broker, William Blair rating, buy. 3/11/2017 broker, Hibs rating, buy old target, $72 new target, $75 maintain. 3/11/2017 broker, Morgan Stanley rating, overweight old target, $70 new target, $72 maintain. 3/11/2017 broker, Jefferies rating, buy old target, $80 new target, $82 maintain. 3/11/2017 broker, Robert W. Baird rating, outperform old target, $68 new target, $75 maintain. 3/11/2017 broker, Piper Jaffray rating, buy new target, $70.0 maintain. 1/11/2017 broker, BMO Capital Markets rating, hold new target, $62.0 maintain. 27/10/2017 broker, SunTrust rating, buy new target, $72.0 maintain. 11/10/2017 broker, Needham rating, buy new target, $75.0 maintain. The stock decreased 3.44% or $2.25 on November 3, reaching $63.2. About 18.88 million shares traded, or 240.79% up from the average. Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, has risen 47.83% since November 4, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 31.13% the S&P 500. Activision Blizzard Incorporated is a developer and publisher of interactive entertainment content and services. The company has market cap of $47.71 billion. The firm develops and distributes content and services across various gaming platforms, including video game consoles, personal computers and mobile devices. It has a 43.36 PE ratio. The company's divisions include Activision Publishing Incorporated, Activision, Blizzard Entertainment Incorporated, Blizzard, King Digital Entertainment, King, and other. More notable recent Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, news were published by Fincl.com, which released, "Will Activision Blizzard crush expectations yet again?" on October 31, 2017. Also NASDAQ.com with their article, Zacks.com featured highlights, Activision Blizzard, Callaway Golf, Electronic, published on October 30, 2017. MarketWatch.com published, Activision Blizzard shares fall after earnings miss on November 2, 2017. More interesting news about Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, were released by Fincl.com and their article, Activision Blizzard Results, the raw numbers published on November 3, 2017, as well as SeekingAlpha.com's news article titled, "Why Activision is Now Expanding to Social Casino Games," with publication date October 9, 2017.